So what's up everyone, so pretty much here to my surprise this morning, my center monitor, which I usually used to have right over there, decided to freak out on me. Pretty much it's still alive, but from some odd reason I cannot see, for example, like the main button, the menu button down there, which I know I can by just click on that one so you can see what is going on. And there is no light. Well, there's light in it, but there's no life to it. And the only kind of life it's have right now is the screen is on, but there is no indication on any pictures coming into it or any notification of I'm actually selecting a HDMI cable or whatsoever. So I had to change my right monitor from the guest computer and put it over here to my main computer so I could see what the hell was going on. And also I tested that method on my live stream PC as well, because I was like, hey, is there something going on with the splitter or what the heck is going on, right? So the plan is at the moment, as I also described it in this video, is to perhaps and most likely upgrade the monitors on my main computer, and then take the old monitors and put it over to the guest computer. I don't know what I'm actually planning on with the two other monitors, probably gonna figure something out, but the plan is at the moment is probably and most likely get the MSI monitors 144 Hz and then get a Elgato 4K capture card for the main computer, for the live stream PC, pretty much because of the capture card that is in it. Capture cards that is in it right now do not support 144 Hz monitors and only 60 Hz monitors. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan at the moment, but it sucks that it had decided to die because it was first the plan to upgrade the monitors next year and not this year. But yeah, that's the plan, and I know I could probably just live with it as it is right now, and then my friends and family that's coming by only have to play on monitors. But hey, I'm kind of like perfectionistic on that point, that everything just needs to be working when it comes to my monitors. Anyhow, this is what I have for now, and yeah, hopefully everything goes right.